you to our co-chairs. Up next, we are excited to introduce a groundbreaking initiative, an ambitious project by our CEO, Mr. Ravi Santlani, the launch of the Great Indian School Tour. We are thrilled to introduce the Great Indian School Tour, a remarkable road journey aimed at exploring India's diverse educational landscape. Over the next 2 years, our CEO, Mr. Ravi Santlani, will personally visit over 500 schools in more than 75 cities, traversing all 28 states and 8 union territories, covering over 30,000 kilometers. This extensive road trip aims to deepen our understanding of how education in India is evolving, especially with the recent integration of technology in daily life. We are delighted to announce that Benesi India has joined us as a partner for the first phase, which will cover 5 states. To officially launch this ambitious project, I would like to invite Dr. Joseph Emmanuel, Mr. Ravi Santlani, Mr. Hemant Joshi, CEO of Benesi India, Mr. Piyush Malik, Executive VP of Benesi India, and Mr. Akitsu Nanbu, Director of Benesi India, to the stage. Please join me in welcoming them.
Hemant, I'd like you to say a few words. Before I bring Hemant on board, I mean, this was a long time dream for me to do a road trip from Jaipur to London by road. Everything was set. We had all the carnet, that's a car visa, we had visas for everything, and then COVID struck. So that was a dream that I wanted to live. And I said, I mean, what do I do now? My longtime friend, I mean, he has now migrated to Canada and he's not been able to kind of do that. I said, we have to do something. And then I said, I mean, if you really need to understand education, I mean, you have to go beyond Delhi, Bombay, and Bangalore. You have to go in the villages and all and see how rural children, and I think Dr. Joseph Emmanuel rightly said, how many is it? 14,67,000 schools in the country. Yeah, so I think this is something, I mean, where we would see what exactly education is all about. Because I'm pretty sure our metro school students would be able to cope up with whatever technology is coming in, but I'm very scared about our rural children. With the kind of AI coming in, and I think, I mean, I shed at least 60% of my staff since last 1 year, and I know many companies. I mean, I'm part of a large IT company in Jaipur, and I know, I mean, we are not anymore hiring. AI is replacing all the jobs. And I really wanted to go in the country and see what's happening, and also take a lot of stuff with me, a lot of teacher trainers who are there to kind of give back to the society, like Anand and Lakshmi ma'am and all. But I think, I mean, there is a larger scope to kind of go around. And I think for the next 2 years, I'll be on the road for 30,000 kilometers, covering 500 schools in 75 cities and 28 states and 8 union territories. And this is something that I'm doing out of my passion of giving back to Indian education and reporting it back to you in the conference in 2027 when I actually finish this tour. And of course, if possible, I'll also write a book without a ghostwriter, using AI. Yeah. So thank you, Benesi. Hemant, when I pitched this idea to Hemant, that Hemant, we really want to do that. And he said, Ravi, with my experience in McKinsey and Benesi, I mean, we would want to come and support you for the first 5 states. I thank wholeheartedly to Benesi, Japan, Benesi, India. We finished a beautiful Japan trip with Hemant only a couple of weeks ago, and it was a fantastic experience in Japan. Hemant, would you just want to come and share a little experience, and why did you choose to partner with us?
No, it's first of all, good morning, everyone. It's a privilege. Ravi has already introduced me. My name is Hemant Joshi. I lead the business for Benesi in India. How should I introduce Benesi, right? many firsts. So we are the largest education company in Japan, 70 plus years of history. We cover 90% plus schools in Japan, where we provide very different kind of products, services, support. It's basically a partnership model. By the way, I was just thinking about it today morning. There is another first now since yesterday for Benesse. There are 2 women athletes of Benesse who have yesterday won the silver medal in Olympics. Right, so many of us, we are also the largest senior nursing care provider in Japan. Present in India now for last couple of years, working with some select schools across 10 plus cities, right? And as I said, the basic philosophy is that we are trying to promote data-backed teaching and learning improvement programs in India. We talk about personalized learning as teachers, educators quite a lot, right? But how do we do it? How do we make it possible, right? That's one. 2, Japan is known for, if you look at it, I mean, from outside you think, oh, it's all about AI technology, etc., etc. It's actually human touch, right? It's caring about you, thinking about you. That's Japan. And what it reflects in education in particular is Japanese classrooms are not about providing care to 10% of the toppers. It's about how can we help everyone in the classroom. It's about how can we help every single teacher in a school, right? So that's the guiding philosophy. As I said, we are privileged, and as Ravi was saying, through this, not only Delhi, big cities, etc., our plan is 5 of these states. We want to go to every single school which is excited about education transformation. We want to meet them, understand their requirements, and if we can be of any help, I think that would be great. That's it. Thanks a lot.
I think, Hemant, we can officially call that we are coming to a city near you. Yeah. So thank you once again, Dr. Joseph Emmanuel, for launching the Great Indian School Tour. Once again, thank you, Benesse, India, Benesse, Japan. Thank you, Akitsu, Piyush, Hemant. Can I please request you to take your seats now?
Thank you.
Thank you.